What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Matt the Sports Beard. Today we're going to be talking about a company that is one of my favorite companies of 2020. Yep, spoiler alert, one of my favorite companies of 2020, some of my favorite products of 2020 so far. And we are already in June, and the kicker here is, not the kicker, the thing here is, they just started in 2020. So is this the best new company of 2020? I guess you're going to have to stay tuned and watch. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, and if you want, turn that notification bell on so you guys can be the first to know when Matt the Sports Beard posts a new video. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. If you can see these products right here in front of us, we're talking about definedbeardco. Here's a little business card that comes in the package. Try to get that close for you guys. definedbeardco. Kerry Jennings is the owner. Let us define your beard is the slogan. He's the owner and CEO, and great guy. I've had several conversations with him as of recently, the last couple weeks. He is one of my favorite owners to talk to, one of my favorite guys just to chit-chat with about beard stuff, about his products, and just about chit-chat with him in general. He's a great guy, very kind, and he makes some awesome products. I love following him on Instagram, and I'll put that in the description below along with his website, definedbeardco.com. I'll put that all the information down below. But I love following him on Instagram. He has some great posts. He has some great videos and stuff. And he's just an overall great dude that I really enjoyed talking to and getting to know in the past month or two. And we're going to be talking about, you can see 2 oils and a butter here. And before we get into that, I'm going to let you guys know, we got our second discount code. And I'm not going to lie, I'm hyped as... watch myself there, watch myself. Gotta watch myself on YouTube. I'm hyped, man. I really appreciate all the support, and I want to start getting some discount codes for you guys on some great companies. So we got 15% off, and the discount code, I'll put it somewhere around here. Who knows where it's going to pop up? Might just pop up here, might here, there, and it will be down in the description below. It's MTSB15 for 15% off at definedbeardco.com. So, like I said, Kerry Jennings, the owner, great guy, awesome dude, great products. As I said in the video, in the intro of the video, is this the best new company of 2020? Is it my favorite company of 2020? Before we even talk about it, I'm going to tell you, yeah, it's one of my favorite new companies of 2020. And I haven't tried of all the new companies in 2020, but as of right now, it is June 13th as I am filming this video. And this is my favorite company of 2020 so far. Some of my favorite products so far. Just to tell you that the oil makes my beard feel amazing. It feels great in beard. It does wonders. It makes it feel soft. It nourishes the skin. And it has some great scents. And we'll get into that. The butter is absolutely amazing. One of my favorite butters that I have tried thus far. So that's a little spoiler because later on, maybe in the year, maybe halfway mark in the year, I don't know. Maybe I'll make a products or companies of 2020, my favorite ones. And maybe no particular order. But so far... he just started January 1st. If you look on his website, when I talked to him, he started January 1st of 2020, which is absolutely amazing. If you haven't heard about definedbeardco, you're missing out, and hopefully you will hear about it now. I know that he's got some amazing stuff that just came out. He's got some stuff in the works. He is an absolutely amazing dude with great products. So we are going to talk about 2 oils and a butter. 1 ounce oils are $15, guys. That is a great deal for this quality of products. 2 ounce balm, I do not have a balm, but I know some of you guys like bombs. 2 ounce balm, $15. Another great deal, a great steal. And the 4 ounce butter, look at this big boy. The 4 ounce butter is $24.99. That is a great price. That's your standard price for a butter, and that's a great price, a great overall price. You see that $25 for a 4 ounce butter in a lot of different companies, so he's spot on with the price range there, and I really appreciate that. So we're gonna save this one because this is matching oil and butter, but we're gonna talk about 1626, the first product and scent we will review. Let's give this a little spin around so you can see this. Nice clear bottles. The white and black labeling, it's very sleek and it's very It's smooth. This is one of my favorite labels. It stands out on my beard shelf. That white and black really pop. He's got a lot of descriptions here. He's got the Defined Beard Co. Visit there with his Instagram and all the other social media sites if you can see that. One of my favorite labels. It is simple, but it is great. It tells you he's out of Buda, Texas. I hope I am saying that right, Carrie. I am sorry. 1626 is the name of it. It has the visit there. We'll get into the ingredients. It's the sweet almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, which is one of my favorite carrier oils, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, essential oils, and fragrance oils. This scent right here, it's orange, eucalyptus, sandalwood, patchouli, and a few surprises to create a clean and fresh scent. And I told him this. This is one of my favorite scents. I love wearing this at night, but I like wearing it all the time during the day. It's about 4 o'clock here, and I got it in beard today. If you can see, I'm down to like right here. I've used it quite a bit. I've had it for about a month, and it's just one of the freshest, the cleanest scents that I have ever tried. It's so fresh, so clean. Nothing really stands out more than the other. It's a great blend, and it just gives me that fresh and clean scent. A great way to describe it is, you just wash your sheets to your bed, and you go lay down that night, and you just kind of put your head in your pillow, and you inhale, and it's just like, there's no better feeling than some fresh, clean sheets on your bed when you go to sleep that night. And it's similar to that. I just feel so relaxed, so calm. It's a very calming and relaxing scent, and it just makes me feel great. I love smell. This is one of my things. I was telling him I need to get the butter to match this. I need to stop slacking, and he's got some great sales going on. You use my discount code, save you some money. It's that fresh and clean scent. It's that little bit of the yellowish tint, if you can see that. Not too bad. Nothing wrong with that. Great products, great carrier oils in there, great scent. It is, I would say it's closer to the medium, little bit less than medium thickness, a little bit of the light to medium light, I would say. It's more to the medium-ish, but it's got that lighter feel. It makes my beard feel very light. It's not heavy. It's not weighed down. It goes into the beard and skin great, absorbs nicely. My beard, my skin, I can run it through. My hands does not feel greasy whatsoever at any time when I wear his products, and it just makes my beard feel so smooth and silky, and it makes my skin feel great, and it lasts. My beard lasts with this in all day feeling that way. I don't have to feel like in 10 hours that, oh man, my beard is needed some oil, needed some nourishment, needed something. I need a refresh or something. No, they're not with this. The scent definitely lasts a good 7 to 8 hours for sure. Definitely. There's times that I'll go to sleep, I'll wear this at night, and I'll wake up in the morning, I can still smell it stronger than ever. It's a great scent. One of my favorites that I own to date. Now we're going to talk about a little bit more of a complex scent. And I was talking to Beard Times with Scott about this, and Carrie when I was telling him also. This is one of the most unique, complex scents that I have tried. Just the stuff in here is just like, man, how does it smell like this? How does it smell like this? In the oils, the same carrier ingredients and stuff, but the scent is a little bit different. We got that chocolate Cavendish, hope I said that right, pipe tobacco, oak barrel aged bourbon, vanilla, and Texas cedar. I will tell you, initial right out of the scent, right when you smell it out of the bottle, you get that chocolate with a little bit of woodsy and smokiness, and it's warm. That chocolate sticks out there. But when you go into beard and you put it in your hands first and you activate it and do all the magic, when you put it in beard, it's like a whole different scent out of bottle, in my opinion. I get everything going in, and nothing stands out more than other. It's a great mix. It's mixed well, and it's so unique. I get that chocolatey tobacco with the bourbon, with that vanilla. I love me some vanilla, and that Texas cedar. You get that woody in there, that woodsiness, and it just all goes into the beard. And same thing, it makes my beard feel great. It lasts a good 7 to 8 hours as well. It's a long-lasting scent. Soaks into the beard, soaks into the skin, does its great job, nourishes everything. My beard feels amazing with it, and it's just absolutely amazing. It's one of the most unique, complex scents I have tried, in my opinion. And I was telling Scott about this, I was telling Carrie about this, and I absolutely love it. It's a great oil. Same oil. with Carrier Blend, same thickness, same length, does the same thing. It's just a different scent. You know, great job. Oh, and it does have that that restrictor chop where you kind of put it down into your palm. Boom, 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 comes out easy. These are becoming my favorite type of oil dispensers. Honestly, it's so much easier. You know, I'm not knocking any of the other ones because I got almost every one that you can try, and it's just become one of my favorites. And great product, one of the most unique scents. We'll talk about the butter. I love that smell. Let's get that. Look at that, kind of white glass jar. Very great with that glass, that clear, and that white and black label is just. I absolutely love it. It's simple but amazing. You're probably saying, Matt, didn't you say you had this for a month? I did. Doesn't look like much butter is gone. This butter, a little bit goes a long way. Let me tell you that right now. A little bit goes a long way. Your normal amount, maybe a little less than that. It does a great job. There's times that I will literally just use an unscented oil and put this in because I love this scent. But this butter is fantastic. I was telling him I need to get the 1626 in this butter, and I definitely want to maybe get an unscented ones because I like to have some unscented butters to match, especially at night when I don't have matching butters with the oils. So I might have to do that. And it does a great job. Makes my beard feel even softer. You know, it makes the scent last a little bit longer because you're going double whammy there. Same exact scent, you get it. That's what I love about butters or balms matching the oil. The scent matches it, and the strength is the same. That way it complements it. I absolutely love that. That's one of my favorite things there. One of my favorite things is when that happens. They match and they have the same strength of scent. Great job. I love the butter. Doesn't make my beard feel greasy. When I do test these out, sometimes I will do. Not with the oil, I'll just use butter just to see how the butter does by itself, and it does a great job. Keeps my beard feeling soft and smooth, does a great job nourishing the beard and my skin. It does not leave my beard feeling greasy. I will say, butter seemed to do this with me. It might be because I use some heat when I put butters in and put products in. Gives me a little bit of a hold, I will say. It's got some body to it. It's not that whipped butter, but it does have a little bit of body to it. It's got some body. I would definitely say that. It's a great butter. It breaks down easy into your hands. And let's get into some of the ingredients, some of my favorite butter ingredients. Shea butter, mango butter, the sweet almond oil, the fractionated coconut oil, ding, ding, ding. I love the coconut oil. Argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and then the essential oils and fragrance oils. And this is the same thing. And absolutely great job. Carrie, you're doing some fantastic things. Like I was telling you on Instagram, I need to try that Lemon Delight. I need to get the matching butter for 1626. I know big things are coming for Carrie and Defined Beard Co. On his slogan is, let us define your beard. This defines my beard, and it leaves my beard defined beautifully. Does a great job. So this is the time I will say I would recommend this to every person that watches this video, every person I talk to, every person that asks me what's a good company to try out. Defined Beard Co. Carry. And I will say he makes all his stuff in-house. It is all handmade, and I absolutely love that. And we will get to the rating, how many beards out of how many beards, because it is time when I discuss my conversation with the owner, which is Carrie, on why he chose the Carrier blend, and we have it right here. And I'll put it somewhere here or here. You guys know how I do. He goes, after I ask, hey Matt, thank you for your order and trying us out. The reason I chose the Carrier oils for our blend is that I wanted something non-greasy, check, lightweight, check, and fast absorbing, check, which is why we use sweet almond oil and fractionated coconut oil, because it has those properties and carries many benefits for the skin and hair. Then followed up with the vitamins and nutrients that argan oil, jojoba, and vitamin E add for overall softness and silkiness in beard, so it covers all the bases. Keeps the skin moisturized and the hair nourished like it should. Hope that helps. Carrie, you know that helps. It helps. Did a great job. He did a great job choosing these Carrier oils. This is one of my favorite parts of doing these videos, is asking the owners why they chose the Carrier oils, why they chose that Carrier blend, because everyone is different. They might have the same similar oils or the same type of blend, but everyone chose it differently. Obviously, it's to make the beard go and make the beard work well with the oils, but I just love enjoying and hearing why the owners did that, and I really appreciate that. And he did a great job describing why he did it, detailed and broke it down. Kerry, I thank you, my brother. Now we're going to say 5 out of 5 beards. I mean, how can I give it anything else? I said it's probably my new favorite company of 2020, the best new company out of 2020, some of my favorite products of 2020. It's a 5 out of 5 beards all day, every day. Can't go wrong with Defined Beard Co. Use my discount code, save you some money. Kerry, you did a great job, my brother. I hope you liked the video. I hope everyone liked the video. But now we're getting into some sports. We are going to get into sports beard of the day. So today we have, I had to keep it in Texas. And this is your bearded sports player that everyone is one of the first people you think of when they have a beard because he's had it for a while. It's an iconic beard in the NBA. And as soon as I said NBA, I'm sure you guys knew who I'm talking about. I'm talking about James the Beard Harden of the Houston Rockets. One of the great players in the NBA today. Fantastic player. He's got a great beard. We all know the beard. I'm sure if you don't follow sports, you've seen this picture somewhere or somehow. James Harden. Great beard, my brother. I really appreciate the way you play in the NBA. He's a great player. That's our sports beard of the day. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay in tune with me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. DM me on Instagram. All the information about Defined Beard Co. and myself will be in the description down below. Save you some money and do yourself a favor. Define your beard and try Defined Beard Co. Thanks for watching. As always, guys, stay safe and stay bearded.